Hey, hi guys, I hope that I'm live with you all right now. So please tell me in the chat if am I audible to you all? Yes or no? So please tell me in the chat that if I'm audible. Yes, but yeah. So please tell me in the chat if I'm audible. Okay, so I've got I'm just waiting for you all here. Let me just open our channel and see the description. Okay. Yes, sir, you are. Okay, wow, nice to meet you all. So, how are you all doing, and who all are actually joined today? So please tell me in the chat that who all have joined. Got it. So this is the noise, so I need to cancel out this and start it back again. Who all are present today? So please tell me that in the chat, every one of you. And I hope that every one of you are super excited about our today's project building activity. And we have two things to do. The number one thing which we have today to complete is file handling. Okay, that is number one. And the number two is like building a game. Okay, I was supposed to teach you all guys about decorators also, but due to few time constraints and all, I think I'll not be able to teach you that. That is one part. But don't worry, I'll be in future doing even much more in detail decorators concept. That time you will get to know. That's number one. Number two, today we were supposed to build Candy Crush as a game, okay, but I was not able to find some time to do that thing. That is the reason I don't want to take a chance where I am building the project very first in front of you all. So that is the second thing. So we will be, instead of building Candy Crush, we will be building a game that is guessing a word. Okay, so we will import dictionary library, and after importing dictionary, English dictionary library, we have to see the word and guess. We have to see the meaning of the word and guess the word. Okay, what is the word? So that is going to be the game today, which we will be building towards the end of the whole class. So these are the two things which we have, and today's class is going to happen even above 9 o'clock. So be there till the end, and by 9 p.m. itself your certificate should be available for you guys to download. All you need to have is 50% of your progress in this program, okay, in the one link app which we have in the description. Okay, so if you have 50% attendance there, so 50% of the progress there, you will be able to download the certificate. So these are the two things which I have wanted to say. Number one, I'll not be able to go through decorators because of time constraint. I'll not be able to finish this entire class in even 2 hours if I even cover decorators. That's one. Number two, Candy Crush as a game, which I was supposed to build today. I didn't get enough time to practice it before I do it in front of you all. So these are the two things. Okay, so now let's just go ahead and start our today's class. Just give me 1 minute. I need to change thumbnail. I have changed the thumbnail. Still it is giving day 4 only. I don't know why. Okay, so I got it. Why? Here it is. There was a bug. Okay, so there was a bug in this. It is day 5 today. So yeah, let's start our today's whole teaching. I'm opening our Google Colab and we will take it from there. And I'm teaching today from my home. So that's the reason we are having this green screen and all. Okay, so I hope that you guys can see my screen now, every one of you. So here it goes. Like day 5, we were supposed to do decorators and game building. So instead of doing this, what I'm saying is I'll not be able to teach decorators, and in this game I have already built x and 0 in our one of my previous sessions, so that is the reason I want to build a word guessing game using real life dictionary. Okay, so that's going to be the game which we will be building. I hope that you guys are with me, and let's just get started. Okay, so file handling. So what do you mean by file handling? So what do you mean by file handling in your day-to-day life? Every one of you who are here, what do you mean by file handling in your day-to-day life? I need the answer in the chat right now. So what do you guys mean by file handling? So please tell me in the chat, every one of you. Okay, so what do you mean by file handling? So tell me in the chat. Okay, so they sir want full Python programming. Okay, got you. Full Python programming is on the way. I'm discussing with my LU Rowdies gang to build it. Okay, for you all. So don't worry about it at all. And few of you guys are saying please increase the volume. So this is the max of volume which I am having right now. Okay. So file handling is all about handling data and storing it right now. You work with two types of data in your day-to-day life, two types of memories in your day-to-day life. One of the memory is basically volatile memory, that is RAM. Okay, we all know that thing, that is RAM. The second memory which we all know is ROM, like which is a hard disk or a SSD or something. So whenever you are working with some kind of data in when you're live working with it, it is stored in RAM. As soon as you're done working with it and you want to store that information to retrieve after some time, that time you want to store it in a file somewhere in a hard disk or a SSD, so that you can retrieve it for the later purpose. So that is where exactly you need file handling in your day-to-day life. Okay, that is where exactly you need file handling in your day-to-day life. Okay, so now let's just go ahead and build file handling in our this thing. Okay, so first and foremost thing, file handling. So why do we need file handling? So please tell me in the chat, why do we need file handling? So we need file handling to store our data or information for later on purposes. Okay, immediate purposes, it is stored in random access memory, that is RAM, but we want to store it in hard disk or SSD, and we can store it in the only way, that is like file handling, with the help of file handling. Now let's just open Safari here, browser basically, and do file handling in Python. Okay, I just want to show you files, okay, which I was yesterday even reading. So a key function or a function which is there in Python for handling this whole situation, that is file handling, that is known as open. Okay, so open takes two different parameters. One of the parameter is the file name, and the second parameter which it accepts is the mode, the file mode in which you should open that particular file. So these are the two different things which we have to pass in a particular file handling open function. Okay, are you guys clear? Please write down open in the chat right now. This part, OPEN, open and parenthesis. Okay, write down this function in the chat so that I can cross verify that every one of you are following it along with me. Okay, so then these are the modes which are there in our file handling. So these are the modes which are there in the file handling. So what all modes are there? We have got read mode, we have got append mode, we have got W, that is write mode. Okay, and we have got X, that creates specific file returns an error, or returns some kind of like basically error only when when the file is already existing in our system. Okay, so yeah, that's the thing as of right now. And my voice is totally down or what? I mean, I have seen at least two people till now saying that, hey, your voice is low, voice is low. Is my voice not at all audible to you all? So please tell me in the chat. Is it clear now? Yes or a no? Yeah. In addition to, you can also specify which type of file you want to use. Okay, so you want to use a text, that is default mode, that is text mode, .txt mode, and this other one is binary mode. Binary mode, this is a file which computer can only understand, we will not be able to understand. Okay, that is binary mode. Most of the time images or when you see game files, okay, when you see like certain games you download into your PC, and you just go to the files which are created automatically when the game is running, so that is also stored in binary mode. It is not stored in textual mode, so which only computer can understand, that is binary mode. Clear? So these are the two different modes of files what we can store. Now let's just go ahead and start our file handling. So uh, before file handling, I should be opening this one thing in your Google Colab. Okay, in your Google Colab. Okay, so I will show this file handling both the ways. One of the ways in Google Colab, then we will copy the same code, we will go to a Visual Studio Code, that is in our offline laptop or a computer, and do file handling there also. Okay, so these are the two things which we will be doing. Rishi Joshi is saying no audible. Okay, clear sir. Sir, please speak a bit louder. Sound is low. I don't know why you guys are complaining about sound. Just let me just do something. Okay, give me 1 minute. I will fix sound first, then we will go ahead. Let me fix sound, then I'll go ahead. Now sound is fine. Okay, now sound is fine. Is it okay now? Is it clear? Much clear? Vinod, okay, so now the sound is okay, yes or a no? So please tell me in the chat if the sound is okay right now. Okay, so let's start our file handling. So our files will be created in this particular file stuff. Okay, files. Now for file handling, all we need to do is all we need to do is f or like fl something, okay, variable name fl is equal to open, give the file name. What is the file name you want to give? You want to give a file name that is like python pyth python 0 1, okay, 0 to 1 basically .txt. Okay, and which mode do you want to open this particular file in? Okay, I want to open this particular file in write mode, okay, W mode. Okay, so once I have this file in W mode, I can do fl dot write, okay, fl dot write, and I can write down anything. Hey, I am Sai, I am teaching file handling in Python. Okay, so I hope that you guys are able to see this. Now as soon as I do this particular, okay, then I need to do one thing, fl dot close. I need to do this fl dot close. If I don't do fl dot close and I refresh this, so you will see file python01.txt is available here right now. So just click on this, you will see whatever we have written, it is being stored in a particular file. You can download this file also, and you can open it anywhere else. Okay, so that is how you are actually writing something to a particular file. See, you have written something to a particular file. Okay, so now let's just read the data from that particular file. Okay, fl is equal to open, okay, open pyth01.txt, and this time I want to open it in R mode. What is R mode? Please tell me that in the chat. And the function which I will be using, the method which I will be using, which is associated with file, that is read. Okay, this time I will be using that is read. Okay, so I hope that now my audio is clear to every one of you. Read, and I want to store whatever I read. I want to store it in one variable. Let's say AB. then print AB, okay, print AB, then close it. Okay, close the file, file dot close, fl dot close. That's it. So see, it is printing exactly what is stored in a particular file. Okay, so that is how you actually do writing and reading both with the files. Now if you want to add something, to the file, towards the end of the file, okay, you want to add one extra line towards the end of the file, how can we do it? Fl is again open, okay, so pyth 01.txt, okay, and in a mode, a is for right now, what is a stands for, so please tell me in the chat. Okay, fl dot writ write, okay, and let's write down a new line. For new line, all you need to use is hyphen n, okay, sorry, backslash n, and write down, it will actually take this into a new line. Okay, new line. Let me just write down your name, Kamali Sridhar is also in the class. Okay, so this is the particular line. Oh shit, I need to close this, fl dot close. I think you will see two different lines, because I have been executing. No, first I'll start from the very first, so that only one line of code. So I have appended a line of code here. Okay, so if I close this and start and if I open it back again, you will see what you will see. One more line is added here. One more line is added, which is saying, hey, so I'm teaching file handling. At the same time, Kamli is also attending the class. Okay, so how much ever new lines you want to enter, you can enter. Now when you do read, you will get the particular two lines here. One line, second line. Are you clear? So A is for append. Sorted. Now so these are the three modes which I have taught you today. Okay, but apart from these three, there are also a few other modes which exist in Python that you should be learning before going to give any kind of interview anywhere. Okay, before going to give any kind of interview anywhere, you should actually learn about A plus, R plus, W plus. Okay, so these are three other modes which are existing in our life day to day. So just go ahead and learn that also. Okay, so this is what all about file handling which we wanted to talk about, and we just now wrapped it up. Okay, so now if you are clear about it, and confident that, hey, yes, this is not so rocket science and we can handle this whole part, so I want to give you guys one assignment. Okay, this is an optional assignment. You can do it on your own. Okay, use file handling in Python and print first 1000 prime numbers in the file. Okay, print first 1000 prime numbers in the file. So this is your assignment, optional assignment. Okay, you can do it on yourself, and please do, if you're finding any kind of problems and all, just go ahead, talk to us in what we say, you can reach out to me on LinkedIn or like various other places. My email ID is this. Okay, after this class, where will I be able to be found? Okay, my email ID is this. You can actually go ahead and talk to me over this, or LinkedIn. Also, not LinkedIn, Telegram. I was about to say Telegram. Okay, Telegram. So these are the two places where you can actually go ahead and tag me, and I will be able to rescue you back if you are stuck somewhere. So this is one optional assignment. Just try doing it. Now let's go to the next level. The next level is what? The next level is a game. Let's start building the game building in Python. So are you guys okay? Are you guys okay with word guessing game? Yes or a no? So please tell me in the chat right now. If you guys are not okay with the word guessing game, so let's do something else. But do let me know if you are okay with the word guessing game. Yes or a no? So please tell me in the chat right now. Every one of you who are here. Uh, Word, or still you want Candy Crush only? Still you want, hey, we need Candy Crush game, let's do it. Sir, even you do it for the first time, we will stay till the end. But you do Candy Crush only. So if you are like just do Candy Crush, we'll stick till the end. If you commit me that, then maybe I'll do something. I'll start building it. Yes, but Candy Crush was better than this. Okay. Yes, sir, Candy Crush. Okay, so first let's build word guessing game. Okay, first let's build word guessing game. Let's see how much time passed by. If we get some more time, even if we get 30 minutes or something, let's get into Candy Crush. Okay, that's my commitment. Okay, happy. Instead of one game, let's try building two games. Okay, I'm having a lot of time, so let me just try finishing word guessing game ASAP. So let's build the logic first. So what is the logic of word guessing game? So what is the logic of word guessing game? So first and foremost thing we need to find, okay, library, okay, library for English words. Okay, Python library for English words. That is number one. The number two activity which we have in front of us, if we want to build this game, is select one random word from the dictionary. I don't know if it is possible. Okay, then the third is like remove certain characters from the word. Fourth, show the meaning of the word as a hint. If done without any mistakes, then add points to it. If done 3 mistakes, then say goodbye and show final score. Okay, so I hope that you are clear with this 6 steps. First step is let's go find out a dictionary library. Okay, English dictionary library. So where can we go ahead and find the library of Python? So just go ahead and tell me in the chat, every one of you. We will use random module, that is also there. Okay, we will use random module for selecting a random word. I don't know if we can get a dictionary which can give us random words. I don't know that. That is second. Third is like remove certain characters from the word. Okay, show the meaning of the word as a hint if required. And if done without any mistake, if guessed the word without any mistakes, then add points. And if done any mistakes, 3 mistakes max, then we have to actually say bye bye and show the final score. Okay, so all the people who are requesting me to go ahead and use VS Code. Okay, so let me just show you first VS Code. Okay, so let me just open up VS Code. Just give me 1 minute. So अरे I had VS in my machine यार, गायब हो गया क्या? Okay, where is VS Code? Yeah, that day itself I was working with it, no? So wow, here it is. Okay, so I got it. Okay, I got it. VS Code. Now, in VS Code, first and foremost thing which I want to have here is like I want to open a particular folder. Okay, let's say I'm going to download section. I'm making a new folder that is like Python learning. Okay, create, open. Okay, so fine. Now I want to create a new file. Okay, and it's Python, and yeah, here we are in a VS Code. If I have to just go ahead and say a Python code, like this is Python learning folder. In this folder I'm doing file handling.py. okay, this is file handling.py. I am just going ahead and copy pasting that a piece of code which we were just doing right now. Okay, file handling. Okay, so let me just rename this a little, file handling write file. Okay, write file, save this, and try running this with the help of terminal. Okay, it will say FL is not defined. एक minute. So let me just go ahead, Python 3 file handling.py. yeah, it's working. So it was working totally fine. So what I've done for running this particular file, all I need to do is like open terminal. You can open terminal like this, new terminal and all. As soon as you open terminal, you just need to run Python 3 and give the file name. So this is the particular file name which we gave, and see, you can see our Python 01 text is already here. Now let's create one more file handling read file.py. okay, so now let's just go ahead and copy the code of reading a file. Okay, so here it is, saving it, and let's run this Python. Okay, first let's put clear. Okay, now we will do is like Python 3 and file handling. Okay, read file.py, enter, and see, it is showing me the output here. Hey, I am Sai, I am teaching file handling in Python. Okay, now let's create one more, that is file handling append.py. okay, so what is our append code? Here it was our append code. I'm pasting it in this. Okay, I'm pasting our append code in this, and I am just going ahead and I'm running this Python 3 file handling append.py. okay, so now you will see what, you will see that if I close this and open this again, here we should actually, sorry, it was not saved. Now it is saved. See, okay, so previously it was not saved. That's the reason when I was running the file, it was an empty file. But now as I written the code and I'm running it, so it is totally running fine. Okay, hey, I'm Sai, I'm teaching file handling in Python. Kamli Sridhar is also in the class. So this is how you can actually go ahead and do Visual Studio Code. Hey, okay, so I just hope that every one of you are very clear about it, and let's get back to the game. Just like how we have done right now, we have copy pasted Colab code so to a VS Studio. The same way we will do it after we complete the game. Okay, so I hope you guys are clear. Top G is saying that, hey, please use text, notepad for this. I don't know how I will be able to do that because I don't have a notepad in my machine right now. So fine. So remove certain characters from the word. Okay, first step is what? First step is to find out library which can give us English dictionary. Second step is random word to be selected from the dictionary. That is the second thing. Third is remove certain characters from the word. Okay, morph out certain characters from the word, and after we remove certain characters from the word, show it to the client to like answer, to just guess the word. If he or she is not able to do that, show the meaning of the word, so that's if they can do it as a hint. Okay, if done without any mistakes, give them points. If done with 3 mistakes, then say goodbye. Okay, so that's the point. I just hope every one of you are clear about it. Okay, so let's just get started with the game. Very first thing, we need to find out a dictionary. Okay, a dictionary library. Okay, so here it is. Currently this library only displays English words. Yes, that's what we need. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and we will install. For installing, we need to have exclamation mark, then we will be able to do it. Okay, so here it goes. It's saying installing collected package dictaton. Dicton. Okay, now how to retrieve a certain word? My word. Okay. Fine. So here it is. My word is equal to dictionary API entry, and it is giving some kind of error. Dictionary entry is not defined. Oh, we need to import dictionary. So for importing dictionary, you see from dict horn import dictionary API entry. Okay, this is the import stuff. I'll just import it before delete, remove this. Okay, put this particular line, that is import dicton from dictionary API entry. Okay, that is there. And as soon as okay, so as soon as dicton is this is imported, now we will go back to this particular library. It is saying if your word, okay, if your word, okay, so let's just go ahead and try out these 3 lines. Okay, let's just go ahead, try out these 3 lines. I don't know how this will print out. Word hello phonetics. Okay, source URL. Okay, licenses. Okay, URL. Okay, text. Okay, hey, it's giving, I think, everything. It's giving every detail. Hello. Okay, and what's the definition? Hello, or equivalent to a greeting. Okay, synonyms are also there, and anonyms are also there. Greetings. Shaman, this is such a huge library. Said when. So if I just want to get a particular, what is the difference between the both? The hello, how may I help you? Sure, this is such a good library, right? Don't you think? It's just such a good library that it is giving us all the words here. That is the power of like using Python, right? Python and various libraries that you are able to. Let's do Diwali because someone is okay. So I think Diwali is not there. Let's put drink. Okay, drink is there, I think, but it is not giving that essence, right? It is not actually giving that essence of word drink. He drank water. Synonyms: to consume alcoholic beverage. Okay, uh, we have got such a very nice library, right? We have got such a very nice library we have in front of us. So it's an Google, sir. Lol. Okay. Fine. So what do you think? I mean, will this dictionary, uh, will this library be useful to us? I don't think so, because let's see some other. Not ready for use yet. Currently experimenting and planning. Okay. We just need a dictionary. So let's just go dictionary library in Python. Okay. Dictionary. Okay. This library. So let's just go ahead and find this particular library, Py dictionary, and indentation. Oh wow, very nice. Get meanings, get. Okay, so let's just try out this library. Okay, this is a different library which we found recently. So let's try out this particular library and see if this works. Okay. पहला वाला लाइब्रेरी थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा ही ये था. So Py dictionary is a different library which we are trying out right now, downloading these all features. Okay, created successfully. Okay, it's giving the following packages were previously imported in this runtime. You must restart. Okay, restart runtime. Okay, I'm restarting the runtime, and let's again use this. Okay, so it is downloading. Yep, it's working right now. Fine. So what we have to do from, okay, from Py dictionary, import Py dictionary. Let's possibly just take these two lines and Py dictionary is equal to Py dictionary. Now print, okay, dictionary dot, okay, dictionary dot get meanings. Okay, I want to print live, live, live. Okay, it's saying that but two were given. Why two were given? क्या भाई क्या गलत कर दिया? What is that we did wrong? This will create a local instance of Py dictionary and now it will be used for getting meanings. Hey, we just did this. Okay, okay, we should do only directly meanings. We should not do get meanings. Do. It's not working. Why? ये काम क्यों नहीं कर रहा? Such a frustrating thing, right? In front of a live audience, if this. What was my mistake? मुझे समझाओ. मेरा गलती क्या था? What was my mistake? what was I doing wrong? I was actually doing this. Then we did this. Acha, meanings and meaning. So okay, got it. So this was my mistake. Got it. Done. मेरा गलती ये था कि मैंने टाइपो मिस्टेक किया. Life, be inhabitant of or reside in, lead a certain kind of life, live in a certain lifestyle, continue to live and avoid die. क्या क्या मीनिंग होता है यार लिव के. ओके फाइन, ठीक है. सो दिस इज समथिंग विच इज वेरी नाइस. We found out a dictionary which is giving us tons of highly reverbative. Nice, very nice, very nice. Now from this whole, I just want to print, okay, इतने में से ना मुझे बस थोड़ा ही कुछ प्रिंट करना है. ठीक है, I just want to print only one meaning. Okay, so one meaning. So how to do only one meaning? Why this thing is stuck? Okay, so let's write down my word is equal to this My word क्या है भाई? What is the type of my word? I'm enjoying this. I don't know why. I'm just enjoying this along with you all. Uh, okay, it's a dictionary, right? So my word dot, sorry, क्या क्या है भाई? Dot keys. What all keys are there in my word? Let's just try understanding it. So you have got verb, you have got adjective, and you have got a verb, adverb. Okay, that's good. ये सब क्या होता है मुझे तो नहीं पता. I forgot. I'm sorry, my English teachers. I forgot, but yeah. Get verb. Okay. Now, what is there in verb? Continue to live and avoid dying. So these are the meanings when you say it in verb. And what do you mean by adjective? So let's try printing them also. Hey, this is something new that we are experimenting out, right? We are yet to create our game. I'm sorry. Oh, adjective is like actually I'm being performed at a time of hearing or viewing. So it's when we say live, that is adjective. It is not verb. Okay, now what is adverb? Okay, what do you mean by adverb? My word dot get not recorded. Whoa, very nice, right? So every time we'll just go ahead and try to just give verb as a printout. Okay, so words list in English. Maybe words list random English word in Python library. Let's just try if we can get some library. Wow, there is something known as random word. कितना अच्छा है ना. लाइब्रेरी के ऊपर ही पूरा प्रोजेक्ट बन जा रहा है. ओके, सो I let's just go see what is this library. This library is okay. Install random words r dot get random word. Return a single random word. Very nice. Very nice. Let's just go ahead and do pip install, pip install. Nice ना, अपना पूरा काम मस्त हो रहा है ना. I mean, I don't know if you guys are with me, but I'm loving the way how we are progressing so fast. Okay, so by just using libraries, ठीक है, इसको रन करके देखते हैं क्या है. ठीक है, let's run this and let's see if it gives any kind of word. Okay, now let's just use this word. Okay, let's just use this word to get a meaning. Okay, अब ये word का meaning क्या होता है? Okay, my word के अंदर ascaron. Okay, following list out of index. Okay, shaman, ये ऐसा तो क्यों हो गया? ascaron नहीं है तुम्हारे पास? Okay, कोई बात नहीं, दूसरा word लेते हैं. ठीक है, so wax maker. Now, what do you mean by wax maker? यार वैक्स मेकर क्या होता है यार? Why this is list out of index? I don't know why. अरे यार ये क्या है? What is this? ये तो पूरा प्रॉब्लमेटिक है. थोड़ा इंडियन वर्ड्स चाहिए ना. लेट मी जस्ट प्लग इन माय चार्जर. आई हैव वेरी लेस अमाउंट ऑफ चार्जिंग इन माय लैपटॉप. So yep, here we are. I have got random words. Okay. I'll see few other libraries which can give us certainly random. Okay, and this is okay. This is okay. This is fine. This I know, but I want थोड़ा सा अच्छा वाला words. This is what we are trying, right? Random words. ये वाला library अपन use कर रहे हैं ना? Fine. Why our Python dictionary is giving? Oh, this can also do dictionary.translate to Hindi. That's so good. Very nice. Okay. From Cloud Dictionary import Cloud. Sir, use this once. We will try. Okay. What is Cloud Dictionary? Let's try out. देखते हैं ना क्या है Cloud Dictionary भी. pypy.org. I need one dictionary in Python, okay, which can get me a lot of words meaning. Try absconding. Mayank Gupta is saying try absconding. Okay, let us try absconding. ये भी प्रॉब्लम देगा क्या? One more time, let's just try semi-qubit. Oh, we got this word dot get verb. यार क्या था वो? What was that? What was that particular? Get verb or something. It was right. Simple print करो ना इसको. None. Ho 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 ho. Send. Bhagwan. This is working. Let's just go ahead and try getting one more time. Let's try. If it does not working, then we will leave this dictionary and we will go somewhere else. Okay, so get meaning. What is this exactly for? No, get meanings is multiple words ka meaning. Okay, get okay. Okay, for our game, let's just try. For our game, let's just try list of 100 English words. Okay, list of 100 English words. Fine. So I have got this list of 100 English words. I'll copy this. I don't know how am I going to. Oh wow, very nice. 100 English words. Okay, so let's paste this entire stuff into a Python file. Okay, from here, yep, we have these all here in Python file, and let's convert it from fl is equal to open. Okay, open what's that, pyth 01 dot txt and do r. Okay, fl dot read store this entire stuff into some text. Okay, fl dot close. Okay, अभी आ गया txt में. Now we have the entire thing in txt. Okay, now lst is equal to txt dot split okay, I think split lines or something it is. Now I have got lst. Yup, see, all of the words are converted to a list. Okay, cool, right? Isn't it cool that I took all the words from this particular website, took it to a txt file in Python, then we just read this whole thing from that file, and we used split lines, which is an inbuilt method in Python to get all the words in a particular list. Now we have a list of words. Okay, words list is equal to lst. Okay, now we can use that particular code which can generate random, okay, which can generate this, basically import random wala stuff. Okay, we can just use this particular code. Instead of words, you will say words list. Okay, we'll use words list. Okay, words list, and we'll just pass words list here. That's it. So they should print words, yeah, words list. Okay, so yep, see, it's giving a words list, and I think probably this should work. Okay, dictionary time dot meaning, meaning, okay, meaning I just need to pass on this word. Okay, so my word dot get, okay, verb. Okay, so yeah, see, we have this thing here as a result. Okay, clear, sorted, done. So let's just try doing it with continuously, and one random word hour is generated, and my word and verb. Hour is not there, yeah. I mean, this is so idiotic shit, man. Oh, ओके फाइन. सो कभी कभी काम कर रहा है, कभी कभी नहीं कर रहा. अपने को डिक्शनरी अच्छा वाला चाहिए. डिक्शनरी we just need a very good dictionary in Python. I just don't know which dictionary. Cloud Dictionary, a DynamoDB implementation of. Okay, let's just use this dictionary. Our dictionary is not working. Words are there now, our dictionary is not working, so that is the problem. I'm sorry every one of you if you guys are feeling little bit bored here and there and all, but I am very clear about it. I need to make this project, so all the people who want to stick around, be there. All the people who want to probably leave or something, you guys can probably leave and watch us later or something. Could not find a version that suffices the requirement. From versions, none, no distribution. Okay, pip3, no, it's not working. Okay, this is not working. And how many of you are there? How many of you are going to stay at least till 9:30? Please tell me that. Fine, this is also not working, guys. Let's just, okay, Here I have a different dictionary. Let's just try out this. ये डिक्शनरी काम करता है क्या देखते हैं. ओके, यूसी डिक्शनरी इंस्टॉलिंग तो हो गया. I have to just import this particular, no, it's a CLI based thing. I can't use it here. Pocket dictionary, oh, no documentation at all. Pata nahi how are we going to post session. Downloading, successfully built. Yeah, installed. So import pocket dictionary. Import pocket dictionary. Yeah, what is the name of this? दिस इज ऑल्सो नॉट वर्किंग यार. क्या है, जिंदगी में कुछ काम ही क्यों नहीं कर रहा? आज कोई डिक्शनरी है ही नहीं क्या ढंग का? Okay. I think I'll be one person who will be building one English dictionary for Python because I am actually not able to find one very efficient dictionary or Python dictionary real. I need alternatives to this because this is not working, guys. I mean, I don't know why, because it is not having a lot of words ka meaning and all. So probably we'll be creating we'll be having one whole project session where we will build our own dictionary and deploy it so that people can start using it in their projects. Okay, ये बड़ा problematic वाला चीज़ है यार. ये क्या है? ये ऐसा होता है कभी? मुझे तो पता ही नहीं था. But ठीक है, fine, whatever we have right now. Let me just clean this all so that we can directly focus on to our project. Okay, so let's just clean. Word guessing game बनाना है ना? ठीक है, बनाते चलो. Okay, so the very first step is what? The very first step is we need words. We have our words list. Okay, words list is already there. Let's start the easy ones. Here and there everyone are like even we are getting bored. Okay, I completely understand. Yes, we will do something and we will be building our own dictionary, real world English dictionary in Python so that people can use it in their projects. So it's a real miss. I legit see there is a requirement. Probably we'll be building it together. So yeah, now let's start our game. Okay, we have 100 words list in our particular program, and these 100 words. Okay, so what we have to do second, we have to select a particular word randomly. Okay, and after the word is selected, we need to take the word. Okay, we need to take the word len. Okay, we need to do len word, that is length of the word, and in each and every position random. Okay, we have to use let's build a function. Okay, function to morph a word, hide word. Okay, we have made a function that is known as hide word, and all we have to do is, like, we have to pass a particular word, and what I'm going to do is I'll understand the length of the word. For I n len word. Okay, okay, we'll just use one random. We'll just use one random. Instead of this, we'll use an underscore. Okay, and we will be using a random stuff. What is that? We already have imported random. Okay, so either 1 or 0 will have if. Okay, we'll have either true or either false. If that's it. Return word. I think this should work. Okay, I think this should work. ये क्या हुआ पता है? समझ गया? ये क्या हुआ समझ गया? Hide word, and here you, let's say live. If I pass live, it will return something like for okay, sorry, range. Now this should work. Subscribable. Okay, what do you mean by this? Method object is not subscriptable. Okay, let maybe just rand int okay. Okay, what I'm doing is what is happening here? It's saying str object is not, str object doesn't support assignment operator. Okay, so let's just go ahead, convert this into a list. This should work now. Yep, see, it is actually working fine now, but this is now a list. Okay, this is now a particular list. Oh shit, all the words are like all the words are like random only. Okay, all the words have become random, are hidden. So it is totally dependent upon the random values. CLIV. Let's put one insurance policy. Okay, let's put one insurance policy. At least one letter should be visible. I'll leave that. Okay, leave. Try करते हैं, चलो क्या होता है देखते हैं. Okay, क्या हो गया, समझ में आ रहा है? So it is automatically removing, it is hiding certain characters. Now the game is this. Okay, now the game is this, that we will just go ahead one by one, and we will try passing this particular word. Now you all have to guess. Okay, if is a small word. Let's try again. I know few people are saying that ki, sir, it is getting boring. I know it is getting boring. That's the reason I told you at the very first that ki bhai rahoge end tak, sure. That is the reason. Or else I would have never told you guys also that stay till the end and all. Okay, so we can actually try this with this particular stuff also. Okay, word is equal to, we already have one particular def get word. Okay, the function's job is very simple. The function's job is to get a random word and we have to guess it. Okay, and whenever I do get word, it has to return me a word. Okay, so this is one particular stuff which we have. I was thinking, yeah, pretty much libraries will be available out there, but we don't see much of the libraries are being available directly. So I just need to get one particular word. So this is the word, and then I need to temp word equal to get word. Then I need to pass this word to hide word. Okay, here I need to pass temp word. Now there is some word inside it. Now what is this word? ये word क्या है? इसको guess करना है. Shit man, this is now going to be tough. What is this word? TMP WRD. Now you know where we are going. Now you know where are we going. Voluminosity. Bow. Voluminosity. ये खतरनाक है. Can we can get meaning of the same word. Here I actually want to get meaning also. R dot. Let's see this. No, yeah, it is just giving me a random word. Okay, so R dot random word dot. But nothing is there. मैं सीधा ये कर रहा हूँ, ये मुझे random word दे रहा है, but it is not giving me anything else. It is not giving me and it is giving such difficult words for us to guess. Okay, now you know where are we headed towards. Okay, we are headed towards saying that, okay, now we have made two functions. One of the function is to get a particular word. The second function is to hide certain characters from the word. Yep, clear, sorted. Okay, एक है get word, एक दूसरा है अपना hide word. अभी एक है दूसरा भाई सिंपल सा while loop के अंदर गेम बना दो. Okay, based upon the length of the while. Okay, while again let's make a function. Game करके. Okay, so the very first thing this game has to do is call get word, this function. After this function is called, then we have to call this function, that is hide word. Then we have something known as length. Length is equal to length, word length equal to len. Okay, len, whatever the word is, tmp, temporary word. Okay, while, and एक और दे दो भाई, I is equal to 0, while I is less than or equal to, less than, okay, less than word length, length. Okay, while I is less than word length. Okay, then all you have to do is, you know what, all you have to do is, you know what, अभी क्या करना पता है, take entries. Okay, character, okay, input, enter the letter you think is part of the word. That's one. Okay, second you have if, okay, if tmp word dot, first of all let's just try pos position, tmp word dot contains. Okay, if this thing contains टेम्परेरी जो वर्ड है ना यार, इसको भी इंडेक्स आता होगा. आई एम लाइक, हाँ, ओके, ओके, dot index, okay, index of char, नहीं यार ये काम नहीं करेगा. ओके, वी हैव टू डू समथिंग एल्स. फॉर टू चेक, or maybe let's just make a different function, df check char in word. Okay, एक और एक फंक्शन बना देते हैं. ठीक है, by 9:30 we should be done with this. Okay, so just be there till 9:30. 9:30 is the max. Okay, so check character word, character in the word. You have to send the character also and you have to send the word also. Okay, for element in list word. Okay, all you have to do is if element equal to okay, if अगर ये पर्टिकुलर जो कैरेक्टर, सॉरी, इफ ch इक्वल टू एलिमेंट, ओके, एलिमेंट रिटर्न यार इसमें लिस्ट काम नहीं करेगा, पता है इसमें क्या काम करेगा, इसमें लेंथ काम करेगा और रेंज काम करेगा. क्यों पता है? यू नीड द पोजीशन ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर, कैरेक्टर. सो char, but you also need to check. So possibly let's just try doing it this way itself. I is equal to 0, I is equal to I plus 1, return I, else नहीं, यहाँ पे नहीं, पूरा खत्म होने के बाद for के अंदर else I'm placing a else in for block, else return -1. Okay, clear, sorted. This game is going to be a bit difficult for people. It will just return only one position, which is the earliest position. Okay, Abhijan, don't worry, I'll solve everyone's doubts. Okay, I'll solve everyone's doubt one by one. Okay, I'm just building 2-3 functions so that we can have everything together. I'll solve everyone's doubts, don't worry. So how many of you are at least able to understand something? I don't know, I think I made it difficult for you all to understand, but don't worry, we will solve it. Okay, we'll solve it ASAP. I'll solve it for every one of you ASAP. Just don't worry about it. Random word, check character in the word, game, hide word. Okay, I need hide word here. So these are the 3 functions which we have made. First is like generate a random word. Okay, first and foremost is sir, why it is asking my personal address if the certificate is just a soft copy? Valdemar, it is asking your address because we are in collaboration with various other people who are like Google Developer Group Mumbai, that is UDG MAD, NSDC, that's Government of India. For them, they need this address so that they can, for future references, nothing else apart from that. Now, very first function which we have built here, we have built this function so that we can get some random word. Okay, we have done that. The second thing is we have built a different function to remove or to morph certain letters from the whole word so that it becomes tricky for us to understand which word is this. That is second. Okay, then we have got the third thing, that is check character in a word. Okay, now what is check character in a word? Check character in a word is basically if you have got a particular character guessed and you have a word, so is there any position out there, yes or no? So that's what we are trying to find out. So let's just see one particular example of this function, check character in word. So wherever it will find a location, you will be able to get that thing. Okay, so let's try. I have a word. The word is let's say Wilson. Okay, and I'm guessing. Okay, I need to pass a character first. Okay, so my character which I'm guessing is W in Wilson. So what is the location of that? The location is 1. The location is 1. It's not 1 here. It should be, no, it should be here. Now it should work fine. The location is 0. Okay, if I guess something which is not there in the word Wilson, okay, in the word Wilson, so it will give me -1. It will return -1. Are you guys clear about it? If I guess something correct, okay, then it will give me the position. If I guess something wrong, it will not give me the position. So this is the stuff. So you just have to mix all 3 of them together and your game will start looking to come alive. So that is the part, guys. I'll just go ahead and I'll complete the code in this itself. It is actually taking a lot of time. So I'll finish this game in this Google Colab. This is the link. You can find the, just now I have to go ahead and put all the pieces together. I'll do that so that you can find it after, let's say, 1 hour or something in the project link. Okay, in the same Google Colab. I will be ending this particular class so that few of you guys who need certificate. So just let's see how to download your certificate. Okay, so my progress in this particular class is 57%. Okay, all I have to do is like generate certificate, and how much ever rating you want to give me out of 10, please give me that, number one, and like 9 or 10, whatever. The second is like, are you interested in this particular 6 months long program? Yes or a no. So just do that. Then if you want to uh, give me any kind of feedback and all, please select it. Till now we have provided 70,000 plus certificates, like we published it till date. You are also going to be one of them. So all you have to do is like download certificate. After this it will ask you your address probably, so I'm just masking it for a while. Just give me 1 minute, let me check. So as soon as you download that, as soon as you give that information, it will ask you what is the name on the certificate. Okay, what is the name on the certificate? So this is the name on the certificate. Okay, and this is the address. Unlock. You will be required 50 LU coins, which will already be there in your account if you're attending all the classes. So it will start downloading, and as soon as this is done, you will be able to see your certificate here with all GDG MAD, ITM and NSDC, this certificate. Okay, so this is, and you can also send it to your people in WhatsApp. Okay, you can just go ahead, write the name and select the relation and give the mobile number. Okay, you can do this, you can actually do this. So just go ahead and share it on your with your loved ones on either LinkedIn or either WhatsApp. And nowhere, anywhere it is mentioned that it's a free of cost program or something. So please go proudly share that you have completed this program. Although this program doesn't stop here, all the people who want to go ahead and become full stack developers or data scientists in their life, LetsUpgrade has one very cool stuff known as full stack program. If you scroll down, you'll find these two little black cards. Now what these cards actually mean, it's a 6 months long program which LetsUpgrade hosts for you all, where you all people who are serious about cracking jobs, internships, or getting a lateral or a promotion somewhere, those people should actually go ahead and join this program. Now what exactly will you get after you join this program? You will get to learn from real developers who are working in the company, in the industry, and that to live every day, 90 minutes kind of, for 6 months. That is one. The second promise is like you'll be building 15 plus projects in this whole program, that to live. In web development, you build Netflix, Uber, Amazon, and Instagram, various kind of projects. In data science, you again build Netflix recommendation system or various recommendation systems. At the same time, audio recognition, object recognition, a lot of Tableau dashboards and all in data science program. So the third promise of this program is lots of interviews in LetsUpgrade's 150 plus partner companies what we have right now. Okay, so these are the three things what you will get if you complete this particular program with LetsUpgrade, and it is at a very affordable price as compared to anyone out there. And the second thing which we also offer is Future Dev subscription. Future Dev subscription is subscription which you need for every weekend. You will be having lots of workshops happening on LetsUpgrade. So every Saturday, Sunday, there is a workshop happening on LetsUpgrade. You can attend it, and not only workshops, you will also get certificate of that workshops. But also, a part of this subscription is you will be getting a lot of newsletters, okay, exclusive newsletters which are very exclusive to you. So that's the whole point, guys, and that's it. So that's the whole point. Okay, so for the now, coming back to the class, okay, so I will just go ahead, complete the code. Okay, I don't want to put a lot of time here, and so that's it. So thanks a lot for joining in for the classes. Download your certificate. Certificate is one, but see the code when try running it. It's there in already the YouTube description. Thank you, and please do enroll into the other programs. I'm going to take a few other programs like data structure algorithm and C++. So these two programs I'll be taking it. So just go ahead and enroll into these also. So thank you guys. Thanks a lot for joining in the classes. And I will just go ahead and complete this whole program. I mean like program, so that you can see it in the this thing. Zoom session today, there is no Zoom session, okay, because it's already too late, and I see I have got two things to do right now. Okay, so yeah, that's the whole point. I'll just finish this code, then I have to do some office work and do that. Thank you guys, thank you for joining in. We were not able to find any proper dictionary, so that is the reason why we were facing a lot of issues and all for completing this whole game. It's almost done 90%, just 10% somewhere remaining. That's like mapping all the codes together and showing it to you. I'll do this and you'll be able to find that code. Just go ahead. Thank you everyone for joining in, and let's take it ahead. Bye bye, take care, have a nice day. I know you all are like, your classes are okay, your classes are interactive and all, but today's class was not at all interactive, I know, because words list is a different function. I'm not able to find easy words. Second, I'm not able to what we say, find definitions or like dictionary which has all the word meanings in it, like Oxford Dictionary. So these two things are giving me a lot of trouble in developing this game. But yeah, this is the code, just you have to use this to play it up. That's it, nothing else. Thanks a lot, thank you for joining in, and bye bye, take care. Fine, okay, bye bye, love you all.